welcome right out of Pleased to have you with us on this frigid winter day where we have this beautiful 1966 Ford Fairlane. It's got custom alloy wheels. This vehicle's got a lot of custom items and I'm going to talk to you about it in this video. First of all, take a look inside. Look how clean this vehicle is. You get the seatbelt so everybody gets to ride. The carpet's in good shape, the floor is in good shape. This vehicle had a complete frame-off restoration. I took some pictures of underneath it. Come alongside the back here, you got the dual exhaust. I got all the lights on to show you all the lights are functional, including the signal lights. Let me hit the signals for you. There's your left, there's your right. Now we'll do the same thing in the front. These back windows do come down. Here's the driver's side. Show them real quick. I'm going to pop the hood. Currently, I don't know the exact cubic inch of this engine. It's believed to be a highly modified 289. As you can see, it's got a lot of custom items on it. Look at the firewall. Look how clean it is. Radiator. This vehicle's been serviced, it's ready to go. Brand new battery, oil's in good shape. Here's how you lock the fence here. You got a functional ram air. All the lights work. Let's hop back, take you on a short ride. Hey guys, here we are. You got a custom radio with iPod connection, Bluetooth, exact miles, or since a restoration, this is what we've been told is 13,090. Headlights work. This is the switch, the fan, the blower motor. We'll put it on high here, and then we'll select it on the heat. There you go. Now take a look in the glove box here. You got the original owner's manual. And in here, they actually teach you how to like adjust valves, you know, things like that. With the original engine, of course, this engine's been highly modified. I took some pictures of these tags. Look how clean the dash is. The glass is in good shape. Let's hit the windshield wipers. That works. This is the horn. The horn does work. There it is. You got to hit it on top here, so it does work. You got the nice visors, the headliner's in good shape, the carpet's in good shape, and the engine just sounds amazing. Maybe once we get back, I'm going to let you listen to the engine as well. Right now, all we hear is the rumble of that fast fuel pump. Let's make our way through the lot here. I think we're clear now. Every once in a while, we do get classics in like this one, and also that 51 Ford right there. 51 Ford Custom. But this one here is a real head turner. I want to put fuel in it, and everybody was asking me about it, and it just sounds mean. And she drives beautiful. You can do highway speeds, no problem. It is a 3-speed automatic transmission. I believe it's called a C3. But this vehicle literally came into our inventory, so I'm going to do some research on the dimensions of the engine and then the transmission. What I believe currently is a 289, which is a great engine, and then the 3-speed automatic. We're doing about highway speeds. All the gauges have been updated and they do work. Brakes are disc brake in the front, drums in the back, and they stop real nice. Now you do hear this rattle. But you know, that's what classic cars are all about. You know, it's not going to be, you know, all quiet. This is a muscle car for crying out loud. And everything works on it too. And it's a nice color, I think. And it's got power steering, so it's very smooth. Actually, I'm going to double check on the power steering. Once we get back, I'm going to double check to make sure it does. But the steering is, you know, effortless and it drives straight. The suspension is tight. I took some pictures of underneath the vehicle, and everything's pretty much brand new. Now, as far as financing goes, you know, we'll definitely try it. But a vehicle this age, you know, it may not be you know, the best candidate, but we'll definitely try it. You got all the keys out of camera. And if you really wanted to, you could squeal the tires. But she's got balls, guys. That's a nice car. Give us a call with any additional questions you may have regarding this or any other vehicle or something that I missed. But before I end it, I want you to listen to the exhaust and listen to the engine real quick. And it doesn't leak anything. It's amazing how clean underneath the vehicle is. Okay, so let's listen to the exhaust real quick, and then I'll pop the hood. Without making the video too long, I want you to listen to the engine, and then I want to double check to see if it's got power steering. No, it does not, but it's got a new alternator. Let me rev it up so you can hear it real quick.